Consume sweet potatoes frequently? A food that is frequently consumed like potatoes is sweet potatoes. Have you heard that the meal we are all familiar with, sweet potatoes, can create cancer cells? Cancer is quite frightening. The issue is not with the sweet potato itself. It is well known that sweet potatoes can help prevent cancer. On the other hand, some meals should never be consumed with sweet potatoes. Please let us know if there are any sweet potato fans in your neighborhood. Number 1. Beef and sweet potatoes are a bad combination. When dining out, sweet potato sides and steak are occasionally presented as a meal. Even when I ate rice at home, I also consumed steak and sweet potatoes. Beef and sweet potatoes both affect how our bodies digest food, though. To be more specific, different amounts of stomach acid are required for digestion. Therefore, it is best to have beef and sweet potatoes separately. Make sure there are sweet potatoes and beef present when you eat rice. Number 2. The worst combination is sweet potato and persimmon. A food that is not frequently consumed is persimmon. Sweet potatoes and persimmons might, however, occasionally be eaten together. Never combine the two. Let me provide a simple explanation. Tannin is a chemical found in persimmons. And sweet potatoes are sweet. These two elements are incompatible with one another. What occurs when these two substances mix inside of our body? A lump that resembles a string develops. Precipitation results from this. It makes digestion challenging and hurts your stomach. It doesn't matter if you have a generally healthy digestive system. However, due to their diminished digestive ability, older persons should exercise caution. Make sure to let those around you know this information. Check to see whether you currently have any sweet potatoes or persimmons in your home. Our bodies produce about 3,000 new cancer cells each day. The same is true for healthy individuals. When we have a poor level of immunity, these cancer cells become active. Please keep in mind the two circumstances I brought up today and live a healthy life. Did you know that NASA prefers to eat sweet potatoes? Because of this, sweet potatoes are the preferred diet in the space era. The fact that sweet potatoes are so nutrient-dense is the cause. Let me explain the health benefits of sweet potatoes. Number 1. The antioxidant effect. Sweet potatoes contain a lot of polyphenols, including chlorogenic acid, according to a Japanese study. You are not required to memorize challenging terms. Just of it as antioxidant action delaying the aging process. Additionally, the antioxidant, anthocyanin, is abundant in the peel of the sweet potato. Number 2. Keep constipation at bay. It's likely that you've heard that sweet potatoes contain a lot of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber works wonders to keep you regular. When sweet potatoes are chopped, a sticky material results. This chemical is a eulipin component that contributes to stool softening. Additionally, this chemical has a fantastic capacity to eliminate pollutants. Number 3. Consuming sweet potatoes can help treat night blindness. The inability to see clearly in the dark is referred to as night blindness. Eating the carrots I indicated in the last video is helpful for night blindness. Additionally, sweet potatoes are reputed to be quite effective in treating night blindness. This is as a result of its high beta-carotene content. This component supports the health of our eye's retina. Additionally, it keeps mucous membranes from drying up, enhancing vision. Number 4. Consuming sweet potatoes prevents colon cancer. The majority of colorectal cancer cases begin in middle life. According to experts, cholesterol and waste products cause colorectal cancer. These wastes will clump together to produce blood clots if they build up but cannot be eliminated. If you consume sweet potatoes now, what will happen? It removes trash that has built up in blood arteries and absorbs blood clots. I briefly discussed dietary fiber before. It benefits blood vessels since it is high in dietary fiber. Number 5. Sweet potato consumption lowers blood pressure. Our bodies require potassium. The majority of the food we consume is heavy in sodium. You need potassium if you consume too much sodium. It's because eating meals high in potassium will aid in salt excretion. It is stated that blood pressure returns to normal if salt is eliminated properly. Sweet potatoes include a lot of potassium-rich ingredients, but they also contain something else called pantothenic acid. There's a chance you've never heard of this ingredient. Pantothenic acid helps people feel less stressed. It eases tension and lowers blood pressure. We learned about sweet potatoes today. Although sweet potatoes are a good diet for us, improper use of them can result in cancer cells. In the following video, I will discuss healthy facts. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.